Wow. This hot topic is heartbreaking.
Yeah.
Nicole Moulton.
Oh. Well,
passed 7 out of 8 subjects
Yep.
that she did at CSEC.
Grade 1 in math, English, language, information technology. Grade 2 in bio, physics, geography. Grade 3 in literature.
And she already had 3 CSECs before entering grade 11.
So that's what, 10 she would have had?
So she would have had 10 subjects,
Yep.
7 and 3, 10.
She was in line to be the head girl.
Yeah.
Wow. This is the young lady, by the way, who was shot dead on, was it Independence Day, I think? Isn't it? August 6th? Yeah. Sad.
Well, yeah, I know the police are actively pursuing their investigation, which is why I kind of step back from pressuring them to give them space to let justice happen. But we will not forget Nicole and her sister, who was also injured in that. Sad. Such a promising young one.
Yeah, man. Sure.
Such a promising young one. Somebody have to be brought to justice, Mr. Coelho. Somebody have to be brought to justice. This one not so good either, no, Neville.
90 workers terminated between May and June this year at the Kingston Freeport Terminal Limited. There's a French subsidiary that has leased Kingston Container Terminal under a 30-year concession agreement.
They said the cuts were... They told the newspaper about the cuts, but they weren't able to say why.
Wow. So just a year after the French shipping firm took over, 834 employees were made redundant and relevant payments made June 30.
But all of them, they had made all of them redundant. Then they offered employment to all eligible workers and said they would take on additional tech staff.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I mean, there must be a reason. Kingston Freight, who are they? Kingston Container Terminal.
Yep.
Kingston Freight Terminal Limited.
Yep.
I mean, I know you're a French company, but you're in Jamaica and Jamaicans want to know. You know, if you have to lay off people, why? We just want to know why. I think if there's a plausible reason, we should know what that is, yeah?
Yeah.
Because no, back to school and 90 people.
Not a nice time to, well, there's never a nice time to lose your job, but certainly not, no. A powerful storm swept across southern China, leaving 12 dead and hundreds of people injured. It says 27,000 people were evacuated. They put the typhoon warning signal to the highest level.
Look at that, Neville.
Incredible.
Man. No, I don't know, something. I mean, my geography is not so hot, but I mean, what, Asia?
Well,
The
actually, it's all
and the
about
tsunamis. I know, but when you hear a lot about typhoons, tsunamis, and all them things,
no, look at that.
it's you know, the Asian continent seems to get a lot of that, and earthquakes and them things. I don't know why. I know there's a reason, but I don't know why. Look at that.
Incredible.
Oh my gosh.
Incredible.
Why natural disasters is something where you just, I don't know. Look at that.
All right.
The recovery process is going to be something else.
I am freezing.
Yeah.
That made me sick. I am proper sick because I don't get cold.
Yeah.
I want to say good morning to someone who I coach and I hadn't seen for a long time. He works in Dubai. And we were at a practice match yesterday and I looked up and I just saw him, Justin Murray. As I told the kids yesterday when I introduced him, one of my first sons as a player. A very, very, very wonderful young man. Justin, great to see you. And well, I didn't meet his family, but he's here with his family, so I hope you have a great time while you're here. Happy birthday, Ola, and I have a picture. Well, happy birthday to Major Clifton Lumsden, who's the president of the Business House Basketball Association. Major, I hope you have a great day today. Greetings coming from your wife and the family and friends and everyone. And happy birthday to Katanya Williamson, who's from Georgia, your mom Georgia, from Damani, Lavon, and your auntie Yvette. And happy birthday to this lady who works at RETV, Julian Robinson. And it's coming from Unity.
That's her name, Julian Robinson?
Yeah. There you go. Happy birthday. I hope you have a brilliant day today. Coming from Unique. I suspect all your colleagues.
Yeah.
Happy birthday. What do you got?
Well, I want to say happy birthday to Simone Hull. Good morning, ma'am. I know you've been partying up.
Scotia?
Yeah.
Hey,
it's her birthday.
Didn't know that.
To Zahara Anderson, Clive Samuels, the great Winston Casanova. Casamina, we'll call it like a bingo, but me can't catch it, we call it like you. So, happy birthday to you.
That's all we're going. Happy birthday, folks. Have a great day. She's trying to run from it, but I went to catch her still. Right in her head.
So long ago, that lives in all of the hearts of people. Believe in unity. We'll make the dream become a reality. I know we will. Because our hearts tell us so.